All right, so Caesar, tell me about this. This is all like 90%.
Slap another coat of paint.
Another coat of paint and touch up some of the nail holes. We painted all of this because it was just, it needed it.
This one, all the patches are done with one coat of paint. The ones that we did yesterday.
All right.
Oh, I got more patches done over here.
Good, we got these chunks done. This is in there solid. We're good with that.
Patches here. I already put primer on them.
Okay, yeah, that's right. That was from last year.
Yeah.
Good.
I primed all the ones from last year too.
Good. So we attacked and destroyed all of the most difficult stuff.
In the back. Here, all those ones are done.
These are painted?
Painted, but I need another color.
Okay. That dude up there, that was our hardest thing. And that's all got its new chunks in, new nosing. I sculpted and cut the nosing out. I brought Gerald along so we could be more productive today. We needed a helper because we were both doing mechanic work.
I have to prime all this stuff.
Yeah.
Because that's it, it's not going anywhere.
This is going to get slathered with more Bondo, sanded smooth. Everything will come out smooth. Same thing here. This is under construction. This is the first bulk compound. This is all primed behind here, waterproofed behind here. I mean, it's just overkill behind there. Anything rots, it's not going to be behind here. Oh yeah, and we found out the things that are rotting, it's from the water weeping around and going in or sneaking in from the back of the house. So we're going to go, all of these ones that we're repairing, we're going to use clear caulking to make sure there's no more water getting in. All these things like this are sneaking in. This is replaced. It's going to get more Bondo on that. Like this was affected, but I'm not sure if it was because of that. This is just normal wear and tear. The other places that were soaking wet behind them, that's from water coming in over the flashing. Caesar, the rest of this you're going to be.
No, I just gotta put more. Oh, I had to take that apart. I had to go that one.
That's all right. I got nosing for this. That's all right. Now that we're
prepare it until you come back.
Yeah. You may be able to.
That one is messed up.
Nah, leave it alone. We didn't even. That's an old repair. But we got the most major ones done, and now that I have this profile cut, it's easy to plug that piece in there. All right, good. And what about over there? Is mostly like just.
I have to check. Whatever is bad, I have to fix.
Okay, but I don't think we're going to find anything like we did over here.
This like just the Bondo and stuff.
Yeah, I think those are going to be just Bondo dig outs. This stuff needed carpentry repairs.
The roof is falling apart.
Don't say the roof is falling apart. What do you mean?
There's a piece missing. What is that?
No, that's some kind of weird flashing.
What the hell is that?
Is that it? I don't know what that is up there.
What is coming?
Is it? That could be. That might be a hidden gutter, Caesar. That's a hidden gutter system. Huh. That's a hidden gutter system. And it runs inside of these, it runs inside these channels, Caesar. It runs inside those channels. Maybe if the gutter's leaking inside those channels, it could be sending water in there. I've seen a lot of things, but I've never seen that type of gutter system. That's what's in here, is gutters. Aha. Yeesh. That's some scary business there. Huh. Okay. But we're still going to caulk at the top of these things. All right. No, today was great and productive.